Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Rogers apartment building. This is the tallest building in Jamaica. It's still under construction. It's located on Waterloo Avenue, which is off Waterloo Road in New Kingston, Jamaica. It is 20 floors. The building has reached its height. The roof is on, and so it is now the tallest building in Jamaica. It's going to be a residential building. It's going to have 99 luxury apartments in it. Very nice building. I have to say, job well done. Not sure who the contractor is, but probably a Chinese contractor. Guys, if anybody knows who the contractor is, you can leave a comment in the section below. And I'm not sure if the units have been sold out yet, but there is a big demand for housing units in Jamaica. So this will be the tallest building in Jamaica for the next 4 years, because the pinnacle is going to be 28 floors in Montego Bay, and that will be the tallest building in Jamaica when it's completed. Now, some people have said we should use the heights of the building when we're talking about the tallest building, but when we use the floors, people can relate more easily to floors. But we will where we have the height, we will give you the actual height. Now, before this building, the tallest building in Jamaica was a Pegasus Hotel built in the 1970s. So that's what, 10, 20, 30, 40 years ago. And within 40 years, no building went over 17 floors. We have buildings at 16 and 15, but none past 17 floors until this building was built. And I can't remember hearing of any building going up between 17 and 20 floors. So the Pegasus will be the second tallest building in Jamaica. And it's just a matter of time before Jamaica gets the tallest building in the Caribbean. I don't think we'll ever reach the status. Well, no. We should have the tallest building in the Caribbean one day. I think right now it's a building in Trinidad or the Dominican Republic. It's the Anaconda Tower. I'm not sure if it's in Trinidad or the Dominican Republic. But at the rate things are going in Jamaica, it's just a matter of time. Jamaica is like booming when it comes on to construction. And there were some reports that this building was damaged during the earthquake, but it wasn't true. This building, Jamaica has some very strict building codes. And it's a KSAMC, I think, that inspects the buildings. So, but they have strict building codes that I think it's a Bureau of Standards that put in or made the codes, and we don't really have problems with buildings like this getting damaged in Jamaica. It's usually the older buildings that were built hundreds of years ago that probably don't even have steel in them. They were built to a different building code. Let's put it that way. They're very old. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And we will keep you updated on this building, and we'll give you updates every 2 weeks. Alright guys, have a good day.